Hello everyone, how are you all? I think you all are fine. So this is the third video of our lecture series that based on the topic sound. In this video we will learn about the hearing of sound, how we are able to hear sound. If someone is shouting there or someone is asking you, then you are able to hear him. So how you are able to hear the sound that are producing in our surrounding will be learned in this video. So that heading of this video that should be written in your notebooks, hearing mechanism in human, how human are able to hear different type of voice will be learned in this video. In order to understand the mechanism behind hearing in the human, we have to understand how the internal structure of ear is there, what is the anatomy of ear. So first we will learn about that in here, then after we will show the mechanism of your ear. So human ear is broadly divided into three parts. One is your outer ear. In this picture you can see that this is the outer ear part, then the middle ear, then it is the inner ear part. So outer ear consists of the part which is externally shown to us. This is the ear pinna. This is funnel shaped and known as auricle. This will accept the molecules present inside the air, or this will accept the sound waves. Higher is the funicle, higher the number of waves it can accept. So elephants have big funicles so that they can hear from a larger distance as compared to human. So ear pinna is under the outer ear. The membranous structure, the eardrum, will separate the outer ear from the middle ear. It is the junction between the outer ear and the middle ear. It will vibrate, move to the inner ear. After ear pinna, auditory tract or auditory canal is there. Then after a middle eardrum is there. Eardrum is present. After eardrum, three smallest bones of our body and three bones of ear is present here, that are called malleus, incus and stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone of human body. These three bones together known as ossicles, they are attached with the drum and what does the function of amplifying sounds. Then after they will attach to the inner ear, that is the cochlea. Cochlea contain a liquid substance that is called endolymph. Above the cochlea you can see some semicircles. They are doing the work of balancing us. When we are running or playing football, it will balance us. But here we will discuss about the cochlea, the three semicoil structure, that is the cochlea, which will convert the sound waves into electrical signals. The sound cannot be heard until it will convert into electrical signals. When it will convert into electrical signal, it will transmit through the nerves to the brain, and brain will distinguish whether this sound is audible or not, which person is shouting or crying or anything else. Whatever the sound may be, that will be distinguished by the brain. It can distinguish very thin sounds as well as the thick sounds, larger sounds, shoutings, the sounds with higher amplitude, lower amplitude, higher frequency, lower frequency can be distinguished by our brain. So now we will discuss about the mechanism of ear. So we can see here the green and red dots, that is the sound waves transmitting with the help of the air particles. Air particles, they are moving from surrounding to the ear funicle. From the ear funicle, that is called auricle, they move into the auditory tract. Inside the auditory tract, they pass somehow, then after they will attach to the eardrum. What is eardrum? You can make it in your home also. You can cut a bottle from the two ends and put a rubber or balloon in one end and put some grain above it and shout from the another end. Then it will vibrate. It will start vibrating. Similarly, this eardrum also vibrate. As a result of this vibration, the impulse will move to here, the malleus. Malleus is a hammer shaped. It attached with the incus, and hammered incus. From hammering incus, it will attach to the stapes. Stapes will then again attach to the cochlea. The innermost snail-like structure of the inner ear is called cochlea. Inside is a liquid. Inside it is a liquid is present, that is called endolimb. So when the impulse are attached with this, inside the cochlea liquid is there. So in order to vibrating liquid molecules, we are required large amount of force. So these force or these amplitudes are generated by these three bones, the ossicles. The ossicles will magnify the sound 20 times as it is in the eardrum, because the size of the eardrum is bigger and that of the stapes is smaller. You can see that. So it is attached to the cochlea. Here in the cochlea, if liquid is there, it will accept the signal and it will convert these signal molecules or sound waves into the electrical impulse. Then the electrical impulse will goes to the your nerves, and nerve will attach to the brain, and brain will distinguish whether this sound is what type, from where it is coming, whether it is the sound of your father, mother, friend or anyone else. That's why I can guess, or you can also guess, whether Ram is asking you, Sima is asking you, or anyone else, whether dog is crying, cow is shouting or anything else. Any type of sound that can you distinguish with the help of this brain. But brain is unable to understand the sound until it is converted into electrical impulse. Now we will discuss about the function of Eustachian canal. You can see there the Eustachian canal. So whenever we are hearing a large sound like blasting or anything else, we say, that means the sound waves are moving inside our body with the help of our mouth also. So whenever they enter into our mouth by this path, they present in the eardrum from the opposite direction. And the sound waves are also coming from the ear follicles. So they are present here from this direction, and this is from this. So they will counteract with one another. As a result of which your eardrum will not collapse. That is the function of Eustachian canal, which is open to our mouth. This is about the mechanism of hearing in the human. I hope you all understood this topic. So at the end of this, I will ask you some questions. What is the function of ossicles? If ossicles is not present, what will happen to our hearing mechanism? The first one is this. Second one is, stapes is the smallest bone. So what is the largest bone of human body? So this is all about today's topic. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video.